Want to remote start your 2023 Toyota Sequoia? Here's the gist. Ensure all doors are locked and the vehicle is in park. Press the lock button on your key fob 3 times quickly, then immediately press and hold the remote start button, circular arrow, for a few seconds until the hazard lights flash. The engine should start within seconds and run for 10 minutes. Before remote starting your 2023 Toyota Sequoia, ensure the vehicle is in park with all doors locked and the hood closed. The dashboard shows the car is stationary and in park mode. Check that your key fob has a charged battery and confirm your Sequoia has push-button start. This feature is only available on those models. Finally, avoid pressing the brake pedal before initiating remote start to prevent accidental start prevention. Press the lock button on the key fob 3 times rapidly, within 1-2 seconds per press. After the third press, immediately press and hold the remote start button, the circular arrow icon, for at least 2 seconds. Watch for the hazard lights to flash twice and listen for the engine to start. Once the engine is running remotely, you have exactly 10 minutes before it automatically shuts off to ensure safety and prevent battery drain. To extend the runtime beyond 10 minutes, simply repeat the remote start process using your key fob before the timer expires. The system allows multiple extensions, but each remote start resets the 10-minute timer, giving you continued remote operation as needed. When you're ready to drive, enter the vehicle and press the brake pedal. This transfers control from remote operation to normal driving mode. If remote start fails on your 2023 Toyota Sequoia, here are the most common troubleshooting steps. First, check the key fob battery. A low or dead battery is the most common reason for remote start failure. Second, ensure you're within the effective range of about 100 feet. The system uses line of sight or Bluetooth connectivity. Third, check for interference from metal structures, which can block the signal. Also, avoid conflicts by not using the Toyota app at the same time. Fourth, try resetting the key fob by cycling it. Remove and reinsert the battery to clear any glitches. The remote start system on your 2023 Toyota Sequoia includes important safety features designed to protect your vehicle and prevent potential hazards. One key safety feature is automatic shutdown if the fuel level is low. This prevents the engine from running when there's insufficient fuel, avoiding damage from running dry. The system also detects any intrusion attempts and shuts down immediately to prevent unauthorized access and potential theft. Additionally, the engine will run for up to 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. You'll need to enter the vehicle and press the brake pedal within this time to continue driving. These built-in safety features work together to ensure safe operation and provide comprehensive protection for your Toyota Sequoia during remote start use. Toyota is increasingly integrating remote start with the Toyota app, with recent OTA updates allowing app-based control alongside key fobs. This trend has seen a 25% surge in usage among owners. Looking ahead, future Toyota models may phase out key fobs entirely in favor of app-only remote start, potentially featuring AI-driven predictive starting based on calendar events. To combat security risks like key fob hacking, Toyota is implementing encrypted signals and biometric authentication in future updates. While remote start is convenient, be mindful of battery drain, especially in extreme cold. Consider using a battery warmer if you live in a very cold climate. Also, be aware of local regulations regarding idling, as some areas have restrictions. Remote start is a great feature, but use it responsibly.